There's something about strapping that thing onto your face that's like the least romantic thing in the world.
Yeah, right.
Like that was another problem that I had. Like, like if we went out to dinner or something, had a good time, and then it's next to the bed is this mask that helps you breathe.
Good night.
Yeah, good night, baby.
Like Hannibal Lecter next to her.
Yeah, it's just like look at this sickly pig that I'm living with. She sent me a video that she took from the hospital of me snoring when she was in labor.
In labor?
Well, yeah, and labor's a long time.
It can be, yes.
So she wasn't, and at that point had probably had some painkillers or whatever, but I was sleeping, and she was not. Probably because...
You were snoring.
Of this.
It's like a double snore.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
She's not cursing you out over that.
Yeah.
Al, better or worse than what you experienced?
Sounds pretty equal.
Yeah.
Eddie, you got one of yours ready to go there?
The lawnmower?
Eddie sounds like stuff.
Wait, that's you?
The lawnmower.
Who's who now?
Those last two were me.
Oh, those were you. It's close, man. It is close. Neither one are good.
The beauty of this, though, unlike Gina sending in the video, this was Al's video. Think about Al in the same hotel room dealing with this.
And I was sending these immediately to Mark Chernoff's assistant who booked us in one room.
Yeah, she actually saved those emails and was showing them to me at the boat party. I saw them. I'm never doing this again. I'm not going to sleep. I hope you're happy. It was hilarious. It was from 2014. She had them.
Furious, yes.
Yeah, it was just. And
I
she's
wonder
just
why.
Laughing her ass off.
Oh my! No, it's not.
Yours is worse, though. I mean, Eddie, it's just a normal night, and your wife was in labor.
Yeah, she was. Yeah.
Good thing she got a rest.
And apparently, so our room was right next to where the helipad was. So, when people get airlifted to the hospital.
Did she ask them to turn the propellers on?